behind you. I'm gonna make it from all the way over here. Okay? Oh, that's too far. That's too far. You recording, Mom? You recording? Okay. I'm gonna jump in the pool. What is that?
Don't worry, Jimmy. That's just Peter.
Who is Peter? Oh, where'd my banana go? Oh, yay, my banana. Oh my gosh, it's a shooting star. I gotta make a wish. I wish for 2 bananas. Yeah. You better make my wish come true. What? I have 2 bananas. Yeah! Ah, yes. Nothing like eating a natural banana on an artificial beach. What is that? Is that a banana? Dude, I can't find it. I think it legitimately went to space. I better just go inside. What the heck is that? Is that the ball? Oh my gosh, it's coming back. Is that gonna go in?
Yeah, dude, I think that's going in. I think that's going in.
Oh my gosh, it went in! For a little behind the scenes, I accidentally ate the whole banana before actually getting the bit done. So, don't worry about it though. I got a power of replenishing bananas from the peel. Boom. Told you. This is also your daily reminder to eat more bananas.